Well, hello. I'm Ashley from Through the Loop Yarn Craft, and today we've got something fun and exciting. So, if you've been around with me for a little while, you know that I love Furls Crochet products, and I am a huge fan of everything I've tried from them. Well, recently they started the Furls Influencer Program that I was accepted to, and they just sent all the influencers this special surprise pack. I don't know what's in this box, but I thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing so you can share the fun and excitement with me. So let's check this out. So we'll cut into this. And we will see what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited. I have no idea what these should be, so let's see. Where do we start? Pull out that sheet. Oh, look at how cute that is. A little thank you card. It's handwritten. That's not even typed. That's some extra effort. Oh, one of the totes. Very cute. I don't know if you've seen the totes much, but they are very big and they fit a lot of yarn. Oh, how fun. Wander yarn. That's exciting. The wander yarn is very soft and lovely to work with. Oh, we've got some needle cases. I actually have another needle case, which you might have seen in some of my videos, and I love them. And then, oh, some of their charms. Look how cute these are. Let's take one out. There we go. Very cute. And hooks! Yay for hooks! Let's see what we have here. Oh, a nice new ebony. I do have another ebony hook and I love them. Oh, a streamline swirls. Also very nice hooks. Ooh, cookies and cream. Very cool. This one's really neat. I love the different colors. A Tunisian. How exciting. I don't do a lot of Tunisian crochet, but I really need to try and learn more. It is very fun. Maybe this will help get me going a little quicker. Oh, look at it's so pretty. Very cool. I love this. And an Odyssey, my favorite. Let's see what color it is. Oh, the white. Lovely. I love how the white has that iridescent sheen to it. Very cool. This is so exciting. Hook case. I have been wanting a hook case. I don't actually have one. I'm very excited to have one now. Now I can feel safe and confident that my hooks won't break. Oh, the pretty gift boxes. Oh, so nice. I actually don't have one of these either, and I have been wanting one. Awesome. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Furls, for this awesome little gift pack, and I can't wait to start using everything. If you've seen anything that you liked in here, I will attach the link to the Furls website. It is my affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback from anything you purchase using that link, but it's no extra cost to you. It just helps me keep on bringing you some awesome content. So again, Furls, thank you so very much for the awesome gift pack, and I will see you all next time.